welcome back to the channel. Well, we're just picking up from the last video. I was hoping we could get started early this morning, but we had a heavy dew and the sun's playing peekaboo. So it's after lunch. We've been into a few beans and they're kind of popping. So Dad's up on the hill cutting some right now. We're going to check the moisture and go from there. I'll bring you back then. Tell them hi.
What's your number mine?
Huh? Picked up a rider.
Picked up the rider?
Yeah, you.
Me.
Yep, you.
There's nothing behind the combine.
Well, the combine's picking the beans and throwing it in the middle of the combine into the hopper.
And then it's going to put it in behind here?
Yeah, then we're going to go put it in a truck.
Is the truck going to be here in no time?
Well, the truck's up the road. We'll have to take it up to the truck.
Up to the truck.
Yeah.
Oh. This is going to be a huge load to carry.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is my jacket. And
Well, what's on your sweater there? What is that?
it's a car.
Who is that?
Santa, and that's Santa.
Is Santa gonna come see you?
Nope.
He ain't gonna come see you?
No, it's gonna be a long time, and
I bet it's gonna be 24 days he'll be here.
yeah, it's gonna be 24 days, or a little 5 days.
How much?
Like 5 days, or but I'm 4 now.
You're 4 now?
Yeah.
I think you was 3 the last time you was on here.
Wow, he's done a great job.
Yeah, he is, ain't he?
Wow, that's huge.
Did you eat lunch?
I have not eaten lunch yet.
You've not ate lunch yet?
Nope.
Well, what's all that all over your face? Looks like you got chocolate on your face right there.
It's not chocolate, it's just toothpaste.
Toothpaste? Brown toothpaste?
Sometimes toothpaste it goes round by itself, and sometimes
Well, he's cutting high in some spots. And he says this is because his field tracker's not working. Well, I guess after he unloads on me, we're going to see why the field tracker is not working. But he's leaving a lot of beans here. $12 plus a bushel, it's not good. What we doing here?
what?
What we doing?
Getting out beans?
Yeah, we're putting soybeans back there.
Next, we're gonna get the oven, and then here.
Yeah, we're gonna get that, and we got the other semi on the other side, don't we?
Yeah. And then we have to get some more soybeans.
Yep, we got a lot of soybeans to get. Well, we got a little neck back here. He's cutting it out. On this farm, we are going to have to take the header off and put it back on. 4 different times, or we really could make some time on this.
We're almost done with this spot. Now we have to do this spot.
Yeah, we're about to cut the field in half right here, Josiah. This is Josiah. He's been on several of my videos. He's just a neighborhood kid. He's my buddy. Give me 5. I see a little bit of grain bubbling up, so I'm gonna get in position. Josiah, you see that grain coming up out of the top? Well, you can't now. What are we doing now?
Stop and get some corn or beans, soybeans. The sun. I said the sun is almost down.
Well, the sun finally came out, hadn't it? Well, I'm getting the run around with the DOT again. Thought I was done with them. And I got a snotty letter said that's fixing to cancel my DOT number if I didn't set up some kind of safety audit or something. And when I called to set it up, got someone that didn't have a real good English accent. And I asked to speak to, I was nice. I said I have a hard time understanding you, and I speak to someone else. And the person said that they were the only one to talk to. So maybe I've got it straightened out, maybe not. I don't know. We've repeated each other several times. So we'll have to find out, I guess. Well, I was sleeping on that one. He's moving on, but he's leaving a lot of beans. So I'm having to cart this about a half a mile. Some pretty big hills. And I know the camera don't show up. This is a pretty big hill right here. And it's rough. My back's about out on me, so. And I got to cross this hill and got another big hill, but it's pavement, so it won't be too bad. We got to take the header off to get to this little 8-acre patch on top of the hill. Some pretty good looking beans there. Now one full truck, slowed the other one. Sure you don't need no help?
It takes more practice.
That's a cool sweater.
It's called a jacket.
Well, I'm talking about that right there. That's a cool jacket too.
Yeah.
It's astronaut, ain't it? NASA. I believe you're gonna have me to help you. You got it, didn't you?
Watch, I have a hood.
Wow, you look like an astronaut.
Yeah.
So you're getting tired?
No.
You nap time? Alright. He gets us full again, we'll go take you home. How about that? Your nose sure has got dirty. How'd your nose get so dirty? got nerdy since you've been on here. See you later, buddy. Good little kid. Well, that wraps it up for this field. So we're going to have to take that header as soon as he unloads on me off and move up to the top of the field. Well, we got moved to this field, and little 8 acres. Hope to knock it out pretty soon. Other than a little deer damage in the back corner back there, pretty good stand. I think it's going to go high 50s like the other field did. Last year, beans on here probably made 20 bushel an acre if I was lucky. Well, this load right here will probably fill our semi, and may put some on the white truck. And it's done after 4 o'clock, almost 4:30, so we'll have some trucking to do in the morning, me and Sean both. So we'll see what else we get done today. We about got this field knocked out, and be time to take the header off and move on up the road a little bit. That's what's the kicker of it is all these fields are within 100 yards or a couple hundred yards away from each other. Well, let's swap out the header again. Time we got the header off, it was really too dark to put it back on. I've got a little bit on this grain cart. I'm gonna park it in the hay barn, tarp some trucks, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow morning. Probably be trucking more than likely. See you then. One getting off the scales, 2 big trucks in front of it, and 1 short truck and me. Come a little shower last night, so I don't know if we're gonna get to do any threshing today or not. Sun's out early this morning, so we might, but anything under 15% is a no-go for me. Well, it took me 55 minutes to get weighed in. So I'm going to see how long it's going to take us to get done. Here an hour and a half altogether. Well, now it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. They're still a little soft, but we're gonna cut this little patch. We had a luncheon to go to today. These seed companies, they take us to lunch, and Cropland, Armor, and Decab and Asgrow had a lunch today, brisket. So while the beans was moist and wet, we did enjoy a good lunch and a good nap through all that. So I'll bring you back here in a second. Now, I don't know if we're just going to get a whopping 3 acres cut today, or if we're going to try to move up on the next little patch, which is like 5 or 6 acres. I don't know, taking this header on and off is a chore. But I really really don't want to cut a whole lot at 14% moisture. And the only reason why I'm even putting any on the grain cart is because I already had some on there. Truck is right here, he could empty it on it, but go ahead and just make one big dump. Well, I'm going to see what he wants to do. We'll probably at least take the header off. I don't know if we're going to try to cut any of that other, but I'm just going to go ahead and call this a video. If I do get any of the other, you won't be seeing this part. So thanks for watching. God bless you. Still got hats for sale, 4 different styles. Hit me up in the email or on Facebook or Instagram. Leave me a comment and we'll catch you on the next one. Maybe we'll be done here soon with beans, period.